Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FashionNova. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about FashionNova and we will enter. Here in this page of app and follow, we click on first stop and we will click. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Indian do turn off your phone. Indian do turn off your phone and do restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.